How to fix PS5 disk drive won't eject disks. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First, use the eject button. Press the eject button on the front of the PS5 several times. Wait 5 to 10 seconds between attempts. Second method, power cycle the PS5. Fully power down the PS5, unplug it from the wall for 1 minute, and plug it back in and restart. Method 3. Manually eject the discs. Remove the PS5 cover. Use the Phillips screwdriver to turn the manual eject screw on the disk drive bottom left corner clockwise until the disk comes out. Method 4. Update system software. Check for and install system updates. Sony regularly releases fixes for bugs and performance issues. If none of this step works, the disk drive may have a hardware issue. Reach out to PlayStation support for warranty service. Following these other steps, you can easily fix your issue. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.